I actually hate energy drinks, but I really need some energy. Hello babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. If you guys saw my latest video, we did some hair experiments and didn't go that well. If you saw it, then you know. Therefore, I am bored and I need to do a little bit of a change, I feel like. And what better change is to actually just do something that I need to do. I am in desperate need, as you guys can see, of a root touch up. This is my natural hair. It's so weird because I'm blonde, but like it looks gray. I don't know if it's just the other hair that makes it look gray, but yeah, apparently I have gray hair now. I thought that we could just play around a little bit with the hair. We're gonna bleach it and see what happens. And then also what I'm so excited about, ever since I became blonde, I've really wanted to bleach my brows. I feel like my brows has become so fluffy and big lately, so I feel like it could be really cool to make them super pale. So yeah, let's just get started. I am gonna use the Depend bleach. I love this one. It is cruelty free, it is vegan, and it's cheap. And so good. Let's see, how do we do this? We have an activator with jojoba oil, and then we have some bleach powder or bleach just, and then we have like a after thingy, gloves. Yeah, okay, let's do this. I'm gonna mix it all in this Arctic Fox mixing bowl. In my latest video, I also asked you guys how many of you guys have had a hair crisis and bleached your hair or dyed your hair or cut your hair. And yeah, there were a lot of it, which I think is so fun because like we are all the same. Force me to stay at home 1 week and like something will happen. There we go. And then I'm gonna mix this around. There we go. The bleach is blended. And now I'm gonna use some of the Olaplex #1. I don't know, that much maybe. There we go. And hopefully it won't damage my hair as much. I don't really know if this works, but people say it does, so yeah. There we go. Let's just put on some gloves. Yeah, this is a great sound, right? Let's start. Or should I start in the back? No, fuck it. Oh no, whatever. Oof, I really like my hair right now though. Another section. It's like my hair is yellow right here, so I might add the bleach a little bit more there. Okay, you guys, you know what? You guys have seen me do this a million times, so let's just speed through this. And you guys will see when I do my brows, because that's the funny thing.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mine. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Shawty, don't play that game.
Finally done with the hair. Now we're gonna go in with the brows. I've only done this once before, I think. And I know you should not really use these hair kind of bleaches on your face. But honestly, like, who has the time to buy 2 different bleaches? Not me. Really blending in there. So all hairs is coated. The bleach on the brows is on, and I can already see that it is starting to bleach them. I think I will remove it in a few minutes and then I will reapply because I know that the brows, I think it's harder to bleach the brows for some reason. If I had red lips, I think it's the background that does it as well, but I feel like I look like Lady Gaga in American Horror Story. Sorry, I was like, what is that name? Wonder when the new season will come. I'm really excited about it. But yeah, I think I look like a vampire of some sort. Or maybe I just look like a douche. See you guys when I gotta reapply this eyebrow bleach. It has been like 5 minutes and I'm gonna see how much it has bleached my brows already. Whoa. I can see that it is not all coated. I hope that you guys can see more like here. It's still like a little bit dark. Same thing again, just gonna apply. Hopefully you see right here, it is quite dark. And here I have a little darker spot right here. Okay, gotta wait 5 minutes more. I don't know what that was. It is still darker here. Oh my god, my brows is gonna just fall off. Last round, I'm just gonna use it on the tips because my skin is hurting. I'm just gonna use the rest of the bleach that I have here in the front because that's where it was the most yellow for some reason. There we go. It has already been in my hair for a very long time, so I'm just gonna wait like maybe 15 minutes or something, and then I'm gonna rinse it off. In the shower, I might use a silver shampoo. If I will, I'm gonna use the fudge one because it's the best. So yeah, see you guys when I've rinsed it out, and we shall see how it looks. Wow, I mean, I already love my new look. Obviously, my makeup is not on point right now. The foundation is all gone around my hairline and also around the brows. So we're gonna fix that, and I'm going to dry my hair. Something that I didn't mention, but that's because I kind of forgot it until I was in the shower. But I obviously used the Olaplex number 2 to finish off the hair treatment. How good is the Fudge purple shampoo? It is so good. It took away so much of the yellow. All right, there we go. Let's start. Oh my god. Oh, let's straighten it. And we are done. I actually used a little bit of a pomade from Kat Von D called Bleach and White Out on my brows so you guys can see them a little bit better, and also to make them stand up. I mean, is it just me or is this look like made for me? I love it so much. Although right now I'm kind of wanting to bleach my hair again. I know, sorry about it, but like, I know I'm stupid. I hope that you guys can see that my roots are lighter now than my tips, which kind of annoys me. I am still going to use the purple shampoo to get rid of the yellow tones in my roots. And also, I'm kind of sick of this length. Should I cut my hair? I'm thinking I want it to be like to my chin, or should I leave it and try and save it until it's longer? It's really hard. I really want long hair again, but I don't want the middle length, which is a bummer because it's not possible if I'm not gonna use hair extensions, which I'm not really excited about to do. Let me know, are you a fan of this look or are you not a fan of this look? I absolutely loved it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me a little bit during this, is it Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday while I did my hair. Hope you guys are having a great day. Also, how cool is my shirt from Wolfrey that I got today? And yes, I am an Aries. My birthday is the April 14th. And I am going to spend my 25th birthday alone. Or no, with Thibaut and Jonas. But like, kind of sad. Yeah, that is it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed and I love you and bye.